Magnesium?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're doing the wheel alignment for the rear wheel. So it's like you do one side first,
Yeah.
then another.
Yep. It's pretty right here now.
Okay.
These lines are only really sort of a guide. Pretty close. So now when you adjust it, you just undo that and go like half a turn, and it'll still come back and stay straight.
Uh-huh.
Don't really worry about the alignment marks.
You know, I started my YouTube channel about 3 years ago.
Yep.
But I only got 60 something subscribers.
Right.
But you know, ironically, I also started with a Chinese video website, and from I think it's already been half a year of, yeah. Then I got 1,000 something, 600 something subscribers. Yeah. But I still feel like I will do the YouTube more. Oh, it's finished?
Yep.
Okay, so no need to worry about this what is the notch thing, right?
No, say that's for it. They are closer now, but they're still different. You know, say mass produced, you know.
Yeah.
You're gonna get a bit of discrepancy. So.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Oh, so far.
Getting the wheels like that, then you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
All right.